For big toe pails and rails, we're looking to improve our end active range of motion. So let's start by finding what our active range is. With just your big toe, keeping all your other toes relaxed, you're going to try and lift that big toe up off the floor as high as you can and then press it back down. That active range of just lifting on your own should demonstrate your active range of motion. That is also where we will set ourselves up for pails and rails. I happen to have a 2.5 pound plate that fits just about perfectly. You can use something that's taller or thicker or something that's a little bit shorter. In most cases, just get it pretty close to your active range and that should be good. From here, my pails and rails are fairly simple. I'm going to press my big toe down into the plate in this case. I'll hold it for 10 seconds. And then keeping the ball of my foot flat, not shifting anything out of my shin or the rest of my body, I'll then lift that big toe up for my rails contractions. Rails being the regressive tissue, I'm shortening all this stuff, pulling it further into its active range. I press down for pails at a moderate intensity or a high intensity, and I lift up for rails. Again, nothing else moves. I'm staying in a nice solid position this whole time. And that is big toe pails and rails.